Hey everyone, my name is Ryan and I am with Unshaken Detail here on Oahu, specifically located in Mililani. Yeah, so we have this 2024 Toyota Sienna van that is not too bad, it's got some, just some regular dirt road grime on it. Just needed the exterior and interior cleaned so that we could get it back on the road. This is a mom with 4 kids and she just needed it redone and spruced up to get it back on the road and get it messy again, probably, right? Am I right? Here we go. So we come in here, um, try to get a good interior shot for you guys so we could get it before and after. She has these floor mats that have, the front ones come out good, but these back ones here, these back ones, you have to like literally take them out of the tracks, like underneath the tracks. They kind of sit underneath the tracks. So we're going to go ahead and take those all the way out and get them cleaned up, and get it all cleaned up for her. So this is just a walk around, and I'm just going to kind of walk you through. This is my first YouTube video, and I just wanted to see how this really works. So here's the driver's side, obviously. Those tracks are dirty. Just need to really get in there with a good APC all-purpose cleaner and get those doors cleaned out. Some basic dust. We'll get this cleaned up really nice here. So this is before, and here next I'm going to take you to the after. Yeah. And here we go. We're all finished up. Got it all clean. We did a foam cannon. So what I do is I do a foam cannon to get the dirt and grime to kind of encapsulate some of that dirt and grime particles on the paint. And then I let that kind of foam up for a little bit. Spray, rinse it off. Foam it up again with a gentler snow foam with Coach Kemi. And I was able to do just a hand wash with mitts and then do a rinse off and then a little bit of wet coat. So here we have the inside. It got cleaned up really nice. It was really nice. We used just like interior cleaners from P&S, vacuum, Tornador, all the good stuff, just to try to get all the dirt and grime out of the vehicle and get it back to almost new. We try to do as best as we can, and I feel like we do a great job at like just transforming the vehicle to where they can look at it and get just a good feeling out of it. So thank you for watching my first YouTube video, and we look forward to you coming back and seeing some more transformation videos. So just subscribe, and we'll see what we get going here on Oʻahu.